How to share notes to Instagram Reels and posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into exciting new feature on Instagram Reels, sharing notes on other people's content. This update lets you add your own thought or reaction directly to Reels you find interesting. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram and find an interesting reel that you want to react to. And once you have found one, simply tap on the share button and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu you can see the different options. So simply scroll through that options and at last you can see the option label add note. So simply tap on that and this is where the magic happens. Now, a text box will appear. Here you can type your message, whether it's a reaction, opinion, or just a fun thought. Instagram gives you control over who sees your note, so you can share it with your followers, you follow back, and close friends only. So once you're happy with your note, simply tap down and it will appear alongside the reel, sparking more conversation and engagement. And that's it. Now you know how to share notes on Instagram Reels and make your voice heard. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.